In the heart of the Indonesian archipelago lies a lost world, sculpted by fire and sea. Life flourishes in the tranquil margins between land and water. Here, on the islands of Komodo National Park, time seems to stand still, preserving an ancient, rugged ecosystem. But this paradise is ruled by a giant from another age. The Komodo dragon, the world's largest living lizard, a relic from a time when megafauna roamed the earth. Survival here depends on a unique set of sensory tools. Its forked tongue tastes the air, detecting particles of scent from miles away. And in its saliva, a toxic venom, a complex cocktail of proteins that induce shock and prevent blood from clotting. Weighing up to 150 pounds, the Komodo dragon is the undisputed apex predator of this island kingdom. Its powerful, deliberate gait carries it across miles of territory. The dragon's domain is shared by formidable prey. The powerful water buffalo, a massive and dangerous challenge, and the more numerous Timor deer. A modern-day dinosaur patrolling its domain. All must live under the constant shadow of the patient hunter. The hunt is a game of patience and explosive power. The dragon will lie in ambush for hours, conserving energy. The dragon's strategy is not pursuit, but poison. A single bite is all it takes. A wary herd of deer senses danger, but for one, it may already be too late. He moves with relentless purpose. Its target, the Timor deer. This one is already wounded. It sent a siren call across the dry terrain. A true apex predator, it uses its forked tongue to taste the air, able to detect the scent of blood from over 5 miles away. Its skin, reinforced with thousands of tiny bones called osteoderms, forms a natural coat of chainmail. This is a living relic, its lineage stretching back millions of years, perfectly adapted for dominance. With its victim wounded, the dragon can afford to be relentless. The venom begins its insidious work, ensuring that even if the prey escapes, the hunt is far from over. For the injured deer, there is no escape. The venom ensures a slow, inevitable decline. Eventually, the potent venom overwhelms the deer. Saliva, thick with toxins and anticoagulants, drips in anticipation of the feast. The dragon, guided by its phenomenal sense of smell, closes in. The scent of a kill attracts other dragons, and a brutal, competitive feast begins. A bank of komodos can devour a large carcass with astonishing speed, leaving almost nothing behind. A vital role in this isolated ecosystem. These titans can consume up to 80% of their own body weight in a single sitting. Their serrated teeth, much like a shark's, are designed for tearing huge chunks of flesh, which they swallow whole. The dragons jostle for position in a brutal, timeless ritual where size dictates the hierarchy. a violent tug-of-war begins, kicking up dust as they tear at their prize. The feast is a chaotic frenzy, using 60 frequently replaced serrated teeth. Dominant males assert their right to the best portion. A forked yellow tongue constantly tastes the air, delivering scent particles to the organs on the roof of its mouth. As the sun sets, the kings of this island finish their reign for the day. As apex predators, they are vital to their ecosystem, yet with fewer than 1,400 adults remaining in the wild, these formidable survivors now face an uncertain future. After a massive meal, a dragon may not need to eat again for more than a month. It seeks the cool relief of the water. A moment of calm after the frenzied violence of the kill. With a population of only around 3,000 individuals left in the wild, every hunt is critical for survival. The dragons are a vulnerable species confined to these few isolated islands. Life for a young dragon is perilous. To escape the cannibalistic tendencies of adults, juvenile dragons spend their first few years living in trees, feeding on insects and small geckos. Here, on this primal shore, the komodo dragon remains sovereign. A living testament to a bygone era, it walks the line between land and sea, a timeless predator in its ancient kingdom. The island's inhabitants, from the powerful water buffalo to the smallest insects, live by its rules. But not all dragons are giants. For the young, survival is a frantic race against predators, including their own kind. For the first few years, a young dragon lives in the trees, a secret life hidden from the cannibalistic adults below. Confined to this small island chain, their kingdom is fragile. Yet here, the adult dragon moves with total authority, its powerful limbs and 5-inch claws leaving no doubt as to who is the ruler. This is a creature built for survival. A living fossil whose ancestors roamed these lands for nearly 1 million years, it is a master of its environment, surveying its kingdom with an ancient, unblinking gaze. The aftermath of the hunt is a display of brutal efficiency. As a keystone species, it cleans the island of carrion. Its powerful stomach acid, capable of digesting bone, ensures nothing goes to waste. With immense neck strength, it secures its prize, dragging the heavy carcass deep into the forest. This is the raw, untamed power of Komodo, an echo from a lost world, still very much alive.